Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. Today we will solve equation x times x times x plus x is equal to 10. Find the value of x. Now let's start the solution. For starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So we have equation x times x times x plus x is equal to 10. As x into x is x cube plus x is equal to 10. Now we will subtract 10 on both sides of the equation. We get x cube plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we can write this 10 as 8 plus 2. So the equation now becomes x cube plus x minus bracket 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. So x cube plus x minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will write this as x cube plus x minus 8 can be written as 2 cube minus 2 as it is equal to 0. Now we will group together the similar and rearrange this equation. X cube plus x cube minus 2 cube plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. In our case, a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So we will write this equation as x minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 2 square is 4 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 2 common, left with x square plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be x minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. So case 1 is x minus 2 equal to 0 or x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. First deal with case 1, add 2 on both sides, we get the first value of x, which is plus 2. Now this is quadratic equation. We know quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a equals 1, b equals 2 and c equals 5. We will use quadratic formula to find the values of x minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. We have a, we have b, we have c. We'll put these values here to get the value of x. Now x equals minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 5, all over 2a is 1. So x will be equal to -2 plus minus square root of 2 square is 4. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 all over 2. Now x will be equal to -2 plus minus square root of taking 4 common 1 minus 5 all over 2. So x will be equal to -2 plus minus square root of 4 and square root of -4 all over 2 is equal to -2 plus minus, what is square root of 4? It is 2, and this can be written as square root of 4 and square root of -1 over 2. So it will be equals to x -2 plus minus 2 into 2 is 4. Square root of -1 is iota. This 2 here and here, 2 cancel with 2, 2, 2. So x will be equal to -1 plus minus 2 iota. So we have three values of x. One is 2, one is -1 plus 2 iota, and -1 minus 2 iota. This is the real values, and these two are the complex value, imaginary values. Now we will put these values to check whether our answer is correct or not. First we'll check this value. We have x into x into x plus x equals 10. It will be 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2 equals 10. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10 equals 10. Mean value of 2 is correct. And if we solve for this, -1 plus 2 iota cube plus -1 plus 2 iota equals 10. We will take this common, -1 plus 2 iota. So we have -1 plus 2 iota square plus 1 equals 10. -1 plus 2 iota, and if we take the -1 plus 2 iota square, we get the value is equals to a square plus a plus b whole square is equal to -3 minus 4 iota plus 1 equals 10. -1 plus 2 iota, and this is -2 minus 4 iota equals 10. We get, one multiply this -1 minus 2 plus 2, this is plus 4, this is -4, and this is -4 into 2 -8 square. Iota square is -1 plus 8, 10. It cancel. 10 equals 10, mean left hand side equal to right hand side. So these three values are the final values of x. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.